Lined up 5 chicken nuggets on the top of this motherfucker. I gave my shit quick. They had my shit sitting on the windowsill. I do want some more barbecue sauce though, cause they playing with me. You want to tell them how you feel about the Big Mac?
It's nasty. It's like 2 fried fucking chicken nuggets.
What's up, YouTube? I'm sorry that I've been gone, but baby, listen, we've been going through hurricanes and ain't had no power for 5 days. Today we're gonna try to catch a nap, okay? We're gonna try to catch a nap meal. Now, me personally, I got me a little sweet tea. Yeah, got a little sweet tea. My boyfriend said it was nasty. Okay. Anyway, let's get into it. The chicken biggie. A little salty. Damn. We got it. Let's see what it's hitting on. This is what it looks like. It's a big ass chicken nugget. It smells like chicken nuggets. The silence is everything. It ain't good. I'm gonna try one more time. My boyfriend was right. I don't know about this shit here. Like, maybe let me. It's like the Big Mac sauce don't go with the chicken. That chicken don't go with this. Chicken don't taste like nothing. They could have lined up 5 chicken nuggets on the top of this motherfucker. I ain't fucking with it. You know what the fuck need to happen to this? That's what the fuck need to happen to it. Cause what the fuck is it? Y'all done pissed me off. Don't ask me to do shit else.